Okay, so let's start with our tutorial on how to open your Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi in just an easy way. So let's get started, guys. First, just enter this 192.168.254.254 and then go. Just wait until it loads. Now we need to log in our account. So just click log in and then put the username and the password given on your Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. Now log in. Okay, once you are already on your dashboard, just click on the device settings that can be found on the upper part of the screen. Just click the device settings, wait until it loads, and then click the advanced settings at the left part of your screen. Advanced settings. Now you will see that there is DHCP at the left part of the screen. Just click it and wait for at least 2 seconds. Click first DHCP, wait for 2 seconds. Okay, now after 2 seconds, let's go to the URL, this one, and then just remove the router settings, and then you will change it to MCC underscore MNC underscore locking. Then go. Now, once you proceed to the next page, you already proceeded to the next page, you will see that there are number 1, 2, and 3. That means those are the networks that provided on your prepaid Wi-Fi. So let's add it first. To make it an open line, you need to click disabled and then just remove number 2 and number 3. Just delete it, delete and delete. Now we need to add for the smart or the token text network. The MCC or MNC code is 51503. So we need to add 51503. So click add. Now it already added. So we have 51502 for Globe, and we have also 51503 for smart or token text. Now just click apply. And then your settings may not take effect immediately. If you need to fully take effect, propose restart the device. So let's continue. So just click yes and wait for the device to restart. Okay, so we need to log in again using our account. Wait until it loads. Okay, log in again and same procedure, just log in and let's check if our prepaid Wi-Fi is already open line. So the version of this Wi-Fi is S10G 2.00 version. Let's click device settings, then to make it sure that this Wi-Fi is already connected or open line, let's check advanced settings, DHCP, wait for 2 seconds and then edit. Let's edit and this one. Okay, this is already open line, so that is the easiest way to open line your Globe at Home prepaid Wi-Fi. So I hope you've learned our tutorial and don't forget to like and to subscribe to my YouTube channel for my upcoming tutorials. Thank you and God bless.